Voice record. All questions. Word. One morning, as I was leaving for school, the sky was beginning to cloud over. My mother reminded me to bring an umbrella, but I refused to do so even though she insisted. On my way to school, it started to rain. I ran as fast as I could to reach school. Unfortunately, I got wet from head to toe before I reached the school. When I entered the classroom, my classmates laughed at me. I felt so embarrassed. From now on, I will never ignore my mother's advice again. This was a lesson I would never forget. Words count. 98.